Pearl Health is a value-based care company, primarily focused on providing better care for Medicare beneficiaries by partnering with providers throughout the country. Since day one, we've used Google Workspace in everything we do. From real-time collaboration, both internally and externally, we would not be nearly as efficient as if we had not had these tools. At Pearl Health, we leverage the full suite of Google Workspace, whether that is Google Meet for videos internally or externally, whether it's on the back end administration, leveraging Google Mobile Device Management to secure all of our devices. Google Drive enables us to provide a secure and reliable way for our teams to interact with data specific to their roles. Being in the healthcare space presents many challenges from a data security and compliance perspective. Google Workspace provides tools and controls out of the box that help us secure our data in a HIPAA-compliant way. Using Chrome management, we're able to ensure that our users are only able to install extensions that we allow, ensuring that our data remains secure and compliant. A big problem in healthcare is the inability to use tools that other companies are using to build from the ground up. Because Google Workspace is secure by design, we never run into those issues here. As a remote-first company, we wouldn't survive without Google Meet. Without Google Workspace, we wouldn't have been able to scale to the size we are in a remote-first way. For example, we have a company all-hands meeting once a week. A lot of people need to contribute to that deck. And without Google Slides, this would be a nightmare. Having the ability to see real-time what people are editing within the slides and being able to comment people to contribute in different areas proves itself invaluable. Google Drive is critical to our day-to-day operations. Tasks that would have historically taken hours to complete are now able to be done in minutes. We're not hunting down people to get their input, we're tagging them directly in the document. One of my favorite features between Google Drive and Gmail is the ability to respond to action items I've been tasked with within any document. I can view what's being asked of me directly within my inbox. Seeing real time what your coworkers are doing within a document is invaluable. Gone are the days in which version control was a nightmare.